Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to change the language settings for a document without affecting the entire system. This method is especially useful when you want to type content in a different language while keeping the rest of your settings unchanged. Begin by opening Microsoft Word. Once the application is open, load the document you are currently working on. In this example, a recently created campaign document is already open. As you start typing, you may notice that the default language is set to English, specifically English. This language indicator appears at the bottom of the Word window. If English is not convenient for your audience or you need to write in another language, this setting can be adjusted easily. Click on the language option displayed at the bottom. From here, you can choose a different language, such as Spanish, Greek, or any other available option. You also have the ability to set the selected language as the default for the document if needed. To manage or add additional languages, navigate to the File menu, then select Options. In the Word Options window, open the Language section. Here, you can add new languages by selecting the desired one from the list and clicking the Add button. For example, you may choose to add a Canadian language or any other supported language. Once added, the new language will appear in the list, and you can apply it to your document. You can continue writing, switch languages at any time, or return to your original language whenever necessary. These changes apply only to the document and do not affect your entire system unless you choose to do so. This approach gives you full control over multilingual content creation directly within Word. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.